Let's talk about basics of Excel function, the properties which are common in every Excel function. Every Excel function starts with a sign, with the is equal sign, and that is equal sign follows with the function name. And then we have round brackets. These round brackets contain function arguments. These arguments are separated with a comma. And the square brackets means that this argument is optional. Let's put these basics to test. Let's first we know that we need to have a is equal sign, follow with the function name. Let's say we have VLOOKUP. Then this round bracket starts. Within the round bracket, we have other arguments. Let's say E2, comma, and then this second argument, comma, and the third argument, let's say 2. And then if you can see this, this is the square brackets. This is optional, we want to use it or not. If we close this, still we can have our result displayed and the function is working. So this we can use this, the last argument we can use and we can ignore it. So this is the basic Excel function, you can say syntax that we put into use.